Hello, how are you? My name is Maria. After I met this product, I decided to share the benefits with you, and the safe site for purchase, LeanBiome brand NEW weight loss offer. Obesity can occur at any age. Inactive metabolism, aging, hormonal changes, and a less active lifestyle increase the risk of obesity even in young children. Many weight loss products are available, but they can fail to deliver the desired results, causing people to look for a lasting solution to maintaining their healthy weight. Thus, LeanBiome in this review is touted to manage healthy weight faster and safer. What is LeanBiome? Click here official website. LeanBiome, L, is a natural dietary supplement designed to support healthy weight loss. It's made with a potent blend of ingredients like lean bacteria species and green select phytosome, a caffeine-free green tea extract formulated with patented absorption-enhancing phytosome technology. These effective blends of ingredients are combined in safe dosages and manufactured as easy-to-take capsules to strengthen and accelerate weight loss results. This unique, proprietary formula helps reverse the bacterial imbalance of the gut microbiome, which is the root cause of belly fat and unexplained weight gain. LeanBiome pills use state-of-the-art, patented deer caps, delayed release, pills to stay in the gut. Each capsule contains these live organisms of lean bacteria species that effectively support the gut microbiome to promote weight loss. They've been transported in a uniquely protective acid-resistant coating to survive in stomach acids, and these lean bacteria species safely arrive in the gut microbiome to work. LeanBiome is manufactured in the USA and is meticulously produced, stored in state-of-the-art, climate-controlled facilities with a good manufacturing process certified under the strictest standards. You should know these facts if you are interested in buying this LeanBiome weight loss supplement. How does LeanBiome work? LeanBiome capsules work on stubborn fat, targeting the root cause of belly fat and unexplained weight gain. Recent studies show that the gut microbiome influences our ability to lose weight. New Ivy League research shows that thin people have a naturally thin gut microbiome. Fortunately, LeanBiome helps anyone become lean naturally as it has a blend of lean bacteria strains that help suppress hunger, decrease cravings, boost metabolism, and reduce fat storage. LeanBiome contains 9 strains of lean bacteria and green select phytosome that effectively drain the swamp and optimize the gut microbiome, speeding up metabolism while suppressing appetite and cravings and promoting healthy weight loss. LeanBiome capsules work faster and are safe without causing side effects. List of ingredients in LeanBiome. LeanBiome supplement contains 100% safe and clinically researched lean bacteria with green select phytosome that effectively reduce weight. It is vegan and free of gluten, dairy, soy, tree nuts, shellfish, GMOs, and BPAs. Here is a list of LeanBiome ingredients. Lactobacillus gasseri helps speed up metabolism, reduces dangerous visceral fat storage, reduces appetite and cravings, and helps reduce overall body weight, BMI, and waist size. Lactobacillus rhamnosus helps you lose weight, reduces fat around problem areas and organs, and prevents weight gain. Lactobacillus fermentum, this species of lean bacteria helps reduce fat faster, lowers cholesterol levels, and improves the immune response. It also prevents gastrointestinal and upper respiratory infections. Green selection phytosome helps rebalance the gut microbiome, helps suppress hunger, decreases cravings, triggers faster metabolism, and reduces fat storage. Alert. Also, know the side effects of ingredients before consuming them in your daily routine. How to use LeanBiome. Take 1 capsule daily with a large glass of water as directed by the manufacturer for best results. Taking this capsule every day can provide better results. 1 bottle of LeanBiome contains 30 tablets for a 30-day supply. Skipping the dosage will not provide the expected weight loss results. LeanBiome supplement benefits. LeanBiome pills help reduce fat stored in stubborn areas. It helps trigger a faster metabolism and boosts energy levels. LeanBiome capsules boost the immune system and aid in healthy weight loss. It is safe and non-GMO and easy to use. This pill helps to improve the gut line by optimizing the gut microbiome. Helps prevent gastrointestinal infections and reduce overall body weight. This add-on purchase offers a 100% money-back guarantee. Disadvantages. The legitimate package of LeanBiome product is only available on the official website, and user may not find the legitimate package in offline stores or other online sites. The manufacturer offers special offers and discounts for a limited time only. Safety precautions. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, consult a physician before using this product. It is not recommended for anyone under 18 years of age. Exceeded dosage may not provide safer results. Are LeanBiome capsules safe? Does it cause any side effects? Yes, LeanBiome capsules are 100% safe and secure as they are made with research-backed ingredients that are rigorously tested for purity. It is completely chemical-free and works naturally to reduce users' weight, making this use free of LeanBiome side effects. It is suitable for any adult, regardless of gender, and there are no negative comments reported so far by thousands of LeanBiome customers. Is the purchase of LeanBiome guaranteed? Purchasing the LeanBiome supplement with 100% risk-free 180-day empty bottle backup ensures that it is completely risk-free no matter which packages you choose. Users can try the product for 6 months, and if they don't enjoy the fat loss they expect, they can request a full refund simply by contacting their customer support team and getting a full refund even after swallowing the last capsule. Where to buy the LeanBiome supplement? Its price. Users can purchase LeanBiome supplements from the official website. Discounts and other offers only apply to users who make this purchase on the official website. The manufacturer prevents its availability on other websites or stores to avoid buying scams. LeanBiome's price is cheap. Currently, this product comes in 3 packages. The manufacturer has created a special package plan that offers 90-day and 180-day packages at deep discounts as a limited-time special offer. Here is the LeanBiome supplement price.